Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.